Picture this. You walk into a room and every head turns. People automatically assume you're wealthy, successful, and effortlessly put together. Your confidence radiates. Your style speaks volumes. Here's the secret nobody talks about. You don't need a trust fund to look like you have one. Today, I'm revealing the exact strategies that fashion insiders use to create that coveted, expensive look. The psychology behind looking expensive isn't about the zeros on your price tags. It's about understanding the visual language of luxury and speaking it fluently. When you master these insider techniques, you're not just getting dressed, you're curating an image that communicates success, taste, and intentionality. If there is one non-negotiable rule to looking expensive, it's this. Fit is everything. A perfectly tailored $30 dress will always look more expensive than an ill-fitting designer piece. This principle is so powerful that it can instantly elevate your entire appearance. This is where your new best friend comes in, the tailor. Finding a good, affordable tailor is like discovering gold. Your tailor is a magician who can transform a $30 pair of pants into something that looks like it cost $300. When you're out shopping, especially thrifting, focus on how a garment fits your shoulders and bust. Those areas are the most difficult and expensive to alter. Learn to see the potential in a piece, not just its current state. The foundation of any expensive-looking wardrobe is built on a strong base of neutrals. Think of colors like black, white, camel, beige, navy, and shades of gray. They mix and match seamlessly, creating endless chic combinations. One of the most effective styling tricks is dressing in a monochromatic outfit. This means wearing different shades and tones of a single color. It creates a clean, continuous line that looks incredibly sophisticated. While neutrals are your foundation, don't be afraid to inject some color with deep, rich jewel tones. Emerald green, sapphire blue, ruby red, these saturated hues look luxurious. Use these colors as a statement piece and keep the rest of your outfit neutral. You can have the perfect fit and beautiful colors, but if the fabric is flimsy and cheap, the entire illusion shatters. The texture and weight of your clothing are silent communicators of quality. Your hands are your best guide. Always touch the fabric. Focus on natural fibers whenever possible. Cotton, linen, wool, silk. A 100% cotton white shirt will look crisper and more expensive than a polyester blend. Look for textures that add depth. Cable knit, tweed, herringbone fabric. Quick test. Hold the fabric up to the light. If you can see through it, it's likely too thin. Learning to identify quality fabrics helps you find hidden gems among fast fashion. These become the backbone of an expensive-looking wardrobe. Building a millionaire look isn't about having a closet packed with clothes, it's about curated essentials. Your first mission? Acquire the perfect white button-down, 100% cotton. Wear it tucked for professional, tied at the waist for playful, or open over a tank. Next up, the blazer. A well-structured blazer can elevate jeans and a tee into a full look. Pay close attention to the fit in the shoulders. Look for full lining and structured buttons. A great blazer is like a coat of armor. You put it on and feel more powerful. You also need high-quality basics. Simple, well-fitting t-shirts and tank tops in core neutral colors. And of course, the little black dress. Choose a simple, classic silhouette in quality fabric. Finally, the timeless trench coat. A classic khaki trench is the epitome of chic, transitional style. Becoming a savvy shopper is your superpower. The world of secondhand shopping is your treasure chest. Thrifting is an art. Go in with a plan. Have a list of essentials you're missing. Be patient. Scan every rack. Feel the fabrics. Check seams, lining, and hardware. Recognizing quality is a skill. Look for straight, tight stitching and high stitch count per inch. Outlet malls can be a goldmine. Be a detective. Look for mainline items marked down. Don't be seduced by a designer name alone. Quality matters more than the label. Use online consignment and resale sites. Search from the comfort of your home. Read descriptions carefully, examine all photos, and check seller ratings. Combine these strategies and build a closet of high-quality pieces at a fraction of the cost. Having the right pieces is only half the battle. How you put them together creates the magic. Layering adds dimension, texture, and visual interest to your look. It shows that you didn't just put on clothes, you created an outfit. Accessories elevate your basics. But here's the rule. Choose quality over quantity. Instead of a handful of cheap, tarnished jewelry, invest in a few timeless pieces. A structured, logo-free leather tote will look far more expensive than a trendy, logo-covered bag. One of the biggest secrets of the wealthy, Avoid obvious logos. True style doesn't need to announce its brand. Let the quality, fit, and silhouette of your outfit do the talking. Master the high-low mix. Pair one investment piece with more affordable basics. Your clothes can be perfect, but if your grooming is not on point, the entire expensive illusion falls apart. Your hair must look healthy and intentional. This means no visible roots, no split ends, and no frizz. Find a simple, classic hairstyle that suits your face shape and is easy to maintain. For makeup, the mantra is less is more. Focus on evening out your skin tone with light coverage. An expensive look is built on healthy, glowing skin. Cleanse, moisturize, and wear sunscreen daily. The goal is to look fresh, rested, and radiant, not heavily made up. Manicured hands are a major signifier of elegance. Short, clean, well-shaped nails look sophisticated. If you can't afford salon visits, you can easily do this yourself at home. A signature fragrance is the ultimate invisible accessory. A light spritz on pulse points is all you need. You now have the complete playbook. This is a call to action. The first step begins in your own closet. Create a plan. List core essentials you're missing and use this as your treasure map. Start building your capsule wardrobe piece by piece. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Beyond the clothes, practice carrying yourself with confidence. Stand up straight, pull your shoulders back, walk into rooms with purpose, make eye contact, own your space. Body language should match your clothes. I am confident, I am capable, I belong here. Start today. Clean out that closet, make that list, commit to new habits. You are worthy of a life that looks and feels luxurious. It starts with how you choose to present yourself. Now go out there and own it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more style tips and inspiration. See you in the next one.